Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. Today I am using this small e.l.f. brush and I have a matte yellow and I'm going into the brow bone with that color. Today I was listening to an old song by Shirley Caesar. And there was many sounds. And when you hear some songs, they just touch your heart, especially the old time gospel. A couple of those touched my heart this morning. And it was I Remember Mama in a Happy Way and No Charge. No Charge always gets me. It used to get me, for my mom, but it gets me now more than ever for me being a mother, knowing how tough pregnancy was for me. Pregnancy was tough. Every pregnancy got tougher and tougher. The first one was rough. The second one almost took me out. And the third one took me out. You know what I mean? And I wouldn't change anything for it. I would not change anything for the experiences. So the no charge for the 9 months I carry you, no charge, touch me. I need the yellow to be a little brighter, so I'm going into another palette to get yellow. And I'm gonna stamp it. And I think I pick up too much, so I am going to have fallout. I know that with this palette, and I still do it every single time. But the no charge had me crying this morning. I listened to it, I sang the song, and I cried. Because I was like, God, thank you for blessing me with 3 wonderful young men. 3 wonderful young men. I was tested in different levels of pregnancy with them, but he saw me through. So that was my testimony for this morning. Hopefully, things are going good for you. I pray that you are having a good day. You see the difference between this yellow and the yellow I just put on top of the yellow? See how bright that is? That's what I'm looking for. I'm going into a red. Hello. My name is V. This channel, you will learn something today and you will be uplifted. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Life is hard, but we don't have to do it alone. Talk to someone and seek help. This is a green. So far, all these colors are matte. I have not touched not one shimmer yet. We'll see how that works out. I'm using a dark blue right here, and that is also a matte. Lighter blue on the opposite side of the brush, and I'm going to put it right here. I am tapping everything. I am not blending anything because most of these colors will muddy if you blend them. So I'm tapping in that lighter blue. And everything on my eyes is matte. Matte eyeshadow look today. Colorful matte eyeshadow look. I love playing in colors. Tapping on the edge of that lime green and making sure they meet up, and that's it. I'm not blending anything. Just tap. You tap long enough, it will spread it out to where you want it. Colorful, love it. Yay, yay. Today's encouraging I am word is I believe that anyone can conquer fear by doing the things he fears to do, provided he keeps on doing them until he gets a record of successful experiences behind him. Hopefully, this encouraging word, motivational word, I am, helps you today. These words were said by Eleanor Roosevelt. Today's look, colorful hummingbird singing my name, baby. This is it. All the colors I use on my eyes, they are matte. Lip combo for today is Black Radiance, this shade, and a little bit of this shade in the middle. I love you dearly. Never stop dreaming. Never stop setting goals. Never stop trying to be your best self. Every day, every minute is an opportunity for us to do better with ourselves and with others. Trust yourself. Trust your inner wisdom. Trust God. Everything works out for good. Like I tell you all, I'll be having eye surgery in February. As time gets closer, I will give you more info on how long I will be out from doing this on these eyes. But for now, we're just gonna have fun. Okay, let us have fun. I appreciate all the prayers that is going up to the heavens for me. I will take them all. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hype this video. Please thumbs up this video. Please share this video. And as always, watch this video all the way to the end. It helps me very much. Until I, this beautiful hummingbird lady, see you and you see me. I want you to conquer fear. You won't conquer all one time, but little baby steps at a time conquering something you're afraid of, and you will accomplish it. When God is on your side, you will accomplish anything. See you shortly. Bye. This is me.